Risk factors for sleep apnea, most obvious that people talk about is obesity or having a high neck circumference, but that's not the only factor. I have seen severe sleep apnea in BMI of 25.
Mm.
So
So
it's a
typical. Yeah.
complex physiology, and it depends upon the interplay between the neurological signals and what is the peak crit or critical pressure where your airways close versus how much force is being applied to keep them open. These are all interrelated, and it's very important if you have any of those symptoms. Some patients are referred to us from our cardiologist friends for uncontrolled blood pressure, even from nephrology. Treating sleep apnea does tend to help with some of the uncontrolled or malignant hypertension by about 5 to 10 millimeter of mercury in studies on journal. Then some arrhythmias arise from untreated sleep apnea. Like we see a lot of atrial fibrillation common in this population, and they keep ablating them, treat them with radio frequency, and then they go back into those arrhythmias because of that stress that is created during sleep from untreated. Imagine that, Ahmad. This is like Mother Nature, which is strangulating you in your sleep. This is the same picture. This process happens in severe sleep apnea more than 30 times in an hour during your sleep.
Yeah.
So more than 30 times, you're actually dipping your oxygen levels and struggling to breathe, your blood pressure having all those fluctuations. It's actually worse than during the daytime.